This is a tip that I don't think hardly anybody knows, but it's something that's important. If you've got a tracker, a Nitro that's got this style rod strap in it, you need to listen to this. It could save you thousands of dollars. Rods and reels are expensive. You get out on a rough day on the lake and the lake is really bouncing and you're rolling around. If you don't have your rods strapped in the proper way, you could lose them and it can be very expensive. So let me show you what the right way is to do this. And there's two of them, a right way and a wrong way. You lay your rod down, you take the strap. Normal is just to put it over top of it and hook it in. But that's not going to hold it in big, rough water. What you want to do, instead of hooking it from the front side, is pull it and hook it from the bottom side. It cannot come loose in rough water. And it is a vital thing when you're in that really rough condition to protect your rods on the deck of your boat. So remember to hook it in the right way when you're heading out across big water and you won't have them come loose. That's one of Ralph's tip of the week.